Renee! Hi, come here. Come here.
Look at this.
Hi. Hello and welcome to a new vlog. I am here visiting at my parents' house this weekend. They're having a holiday party with some of their friends and family, so friends. So I wanted to come back and help out my mom and also sneak in a good meal because I'm sure they're having some great food tonight. She always hosts a ton of holiday gatherings and it's a lot of work, so I wanted to come back and help her out. So my aunt texted me and told me that she dropped a little present off for me and told me to open it on camera. So for Vlogmas, she watches Vlogmas. So I am going to open this even though it's not Christmas. Feels very light. I wonder what it is. Oh. It's an ornament for my tree that says condo owner. So cute. 2018. So cute. Thank you, Ashley. And baby Julia. Look how cute.
Aw, so cute.
Looks like Santa has arrived. We like to go around and do this thing where we read the tops of all the presents. So this one says, to Rachel from Mom and Dad, to Paolo from Merlot. Looks like Merlot did a lot of Christmas shopping this year. Oh, you're so cute. Good boy. Oh, you look so cute. It is Christmas Eve and I'm actually wrapping my presents. I am wearing my Christmas uniform, which is my Christmas pajamas, because it's only appropriate that if you're only lounging around the house that you wear Christmas pajamas. And then after this, I'm actually going to get ready for our Christmas Eve festivities. But I wanted to show you what are some of the presents that I'm giving this year, and I'm gonna wrap them up right now. I don't have too many gifts here because I don't exchange presents with too many people, but I have gifts here for my brother, his fiance, who they got engaged this year, which is so exciting, as some of the gifts maybe are wedding themed, so I'll show you that in a second. And then for my little cousin who is 4 months old, who was born this year. Something to note is that my brother and I got my dad a shared gift, which I don't have with me. My brother bought it and he is wrapping it, so that's with him. We got him some clothes from Lululemon. And then for my mom, the present that I'm giving her this year is a trip to Mexico, which I mentioned briefly in a vlog that I'm going to Mexico in January, and it is a work trip and I was able to bring a guest. So I'm bringing my mom with me. We're going for a week in Mexico and it is very exciting. So that is her present from me. I didn't pay for the trip, but I did buy us an excursion for us to do in Mexico. So we're going ATV riding through the jungle in Mexico, zip lining, and an adventure through a cave, which I'm so excited about. I've never been to Mexico and I'm really excited to travel in the winter. So yes, my mom's present is that excursion on our trip to Mexico. So she's not getting a physical present this year. Okay, so I'm gonna go through some of the gifts that I got here. So in this box here, I hope it's not wrapped up too well. So this is just a mug. I wanted to get a little something for my aunt, and then the rest of the presents are for her daughter, but I just thought it was really cute. Purple is my favorite color, this shade of purple, and it says totally the best aunt ever. It has a little heart inside the mug. I thought it was so cute and I just had to get it. So I got that at Chapters, and then I got these 2 books as well. I actually got a third, but I already brought it over to her house because I went to visit yesterday and I wanted to bring the book to read with her. So I already gave her one of the books, but I got 2 other books. And these are books that obviously she can be read now that she's 4 months old, but they have different like colors and things. Oh, I did buy the dog book. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cute. Okay. I couldn't remember which book I bought, but this one's like one of those touch and feel books. So you can like experience the book. So not only is it like bright colors and you get to read to the baby, but there's like little things inside that you can do. So that's one of them. This one's Where's the Dog? And then this one's the Slide and Find nursery rhymes. So if you slide it, I don't know, there's little things that you can do. And then the other one that I got was like animals around the world, and then you like open the little flaps and you read more about the animals around the world. So I got her some books because we could read together, and then also not only can she be read the books at this age at 4 months old, but then when she's older hopefully she can read them herself. So they're kind of a long-lasting gift, and they're educational. So that's one gift. The next gift is for my brother's fiance. So her birthday is actually December 28th. So I wanted to get her a Christmas present, but also a birthday present. So I'm gonna divide up these gifts, kind of wrap them separately. The first thing that I got is this wedding book, and it's kind of like a coffee table book. It's huge. It's more than a magazine. I would call it more like a book. And it just has a ton of wedding ideas, and they're getting married in the spring of 2020. So this is more like a spring themed book. Of course you can browse things online, but sometimes it's nice to like have a physical book and you can like circle it or tear pages out or whatever you need to. And I don't know, I thought it would be something that we can look at together. There's some beautiful dresses in here and different decor ideas, and I'm really excited to read through it. Look at this cake. So exciting. Got her this, and then I also got her this book here, which I was recommended this book by 2 different people. My aunt, the one that I bought the mug for, and then also my friend Nikki, she recommended this book too. So I ended up getting this at Chapters as well, Becoming, Michelle Obama's book. And I just heard so many great things about it. I'm actually going to download it on Audible. I love reading audiobooks, or listening to them rather, but I know that Andrea really likes paperback books. Then the other things that I got, they are from CNC Luxury. So I got her new initials since she got engaged. Well, once they get married, then she'll take over these initials. These are really, really, really pretty. So I got this as one necklace, and then just a matching gold choker chain to go with it so she can pair them. This is just really, really pretty. So that is that. And then the final thing that I got are matching Christmas pajamas to the ones that I have and have been wearing, and I actually brought them here to my parents' house to be matching, and that will be really cute. We'll take some cute pictures together. So those 4 things, I'm probably gonna do the pajamas and this book together, the Michelle Obama book, and then the wedding and the jewelry as the second gift, just because these are more like wedding themed. I don't know, we'll see how I wrap them. And then finally for my brother, I got him this box of puzzles. So one year he wanted to do a 1,000-piece puzzle, and so we did it over the Christmas holidays, and we did it in our basement and just kind of had it on the table, and everyone was adding to it as they would go down there. So I'm thinking that we'll do the same thing with one of the 1,000-piece puzzles, but this is actually a collection of 10 puzzles. There's 2 1,000, 2 500, and 6 300-piece puzzles. So I thought this would be fun to do together over the holidays, and I never know what to get him, so I thought puzzles would be something that we can do as a family. And then I also got him an Uber gift card, because Uber now has gift cards, and he sometimes takes Uber, so I thought that would be a useful gift. And now I'm gonna start wrapping. These are the finished presents. So this is the puzzle, and I need to just attach the card with the Uber gift card, This is the books and the mug for my aunt and her baby. And then this is falling over. I need to kind of figure out how to balance this because this bag doesn't have any weight to it. Maybe I need to put a piece of cardboard in the bottom. I think that will help actually. But I didn't separate the pajamas, the books, and the necklace. I kind of just put it all in one bag because I'm also kind of running out of time and I need to start getting ready for our holiday celebration.